a diocese, we take emphatic note of the suffering and hardship that our people are going through, especially due to the tough economic times. We are praying for the affected families and urge the government to find clear strategies to reduce the cost of living. Our prayers are also with the victims of insecurity, especially in Kisii and Nyamira counties, and support the efforts being put in place by the security agencies to improve the security in our society. We also urge members of the public to cooperate with the national and county governments' measures that they are putting in place in response to the forthcoming El Nino rains. As a church, we shall play our role in complementing the policies of the government on the same. We encourage all of us to look to God, who is our only daily sustainer, who is able to turn around the difficult circumstances. May we be encouraged by God's assurance given to us in the words in Philippians chapter 4, verse 19. We encourage all of us to put our hope in God, who is alone in control of any hard challenges that we may face. When we have faith in Jesus and live righteously, God will provide us